This is our dog who won't go out in the snow by himself. There he goes. He will not go by himself. So what's Mom doing? Mom's putting on all of her snow gear to go with him. There's Mom. Can you see Mom? I don't know. Mom's taking a picture and everybody's asleep. Okay. There we go. Alright, Mom's supposed to go to this. Okay. Let's go, Shaggy. Go. Go find the tree. Go on. You can't find the tree. I'm coming. So you can't come back inside till you go potty. Okay, I'm coming with you. Let's go. Shaggy. Ooh. Oh, but. It is up to Mom's waist. If we can see it. Can we see it? Yep. All right, Shaggy, we gotta find a place to go potty. Let's go. He's right behind me. You cannot. Okay. Follow me. You know what? You are such a Shaggy. You won't go unless I follow. Okay, here we go. I am not. Whoa! I'm not shoveling off the tree for you. Can you find it? This would be our house. Our neighbor's house. This is the street, so I can't even find Shaggy a place on the street to go. Shaggy, we're gonna walk to that tree. See that tree? Let's go make it to the tree. Alright? I know. Wanna say something? You gotta go by yourself? No. Okay, I'll go for you. Okay. I don't know what to tell you, Shag. Can you try that tree? I'm with you. Can't lift your legs. Pee. Get over there. Try. Good job. Keep going. Whoa. Okay, now you're in the middle of the street. Can you pee there? Oh, we gotta poop. That's a problem. How am I gonna clean that up? Dog. Oh, there you go. You can see your feet. Pee. Can you please pee? Pee. Oh, good job. Still gotta get back in the house.